The skincare routine you're so attached to, you're going to abandon it. Not because you want to, but because your skin will force you to. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. I'm Dr. Yuval Bibi, dermatologist. In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you the 3 ways your skin finally says enough and why waiting for that moment is the worst decision you can make. Your smile is your brand. Let me show you how you're sabotaging it on borrowed time. Here's what nobody in the beauty industry wants to tell you. Your skin is keeping score. Every morning with hot water and foaming cleanser, every night, double cleansing and exfoliation, every week with chemical peels and physical scrubs, every month with new miracle serums. Your skin is taking it for now, but here's the thing about biological systems. They have limits. Your skin barrier can only be stripped, assaulted, and disrupted in so many ways before it breaks down. And when it does, that's why you end up in my office. Dr. Bibi, I don't understand. I've been using this routine for years, and suddenly my skin is a disaster. Suddenly? No, gradually. Then suddenly. It's like a bridge. Every car that crosses the bridge adds microscopic stress. For years, it holds until one day, one ordinary car, the bridge falls. Was it the car's fault? No. It was the fault of every car before it. Your skincare routine is that traffic, and your skin barrier is that bridge. Now let me show you the 3 most common ways this will play out. Scenario 1, your skin just stops working. You started with normal skin, maybe a little bit oily, maybe normal. Then you began a routine. Nothing crazy, just what everyone does. Cleanser, toner, moisturizer, la-di-da. Then you add actives, retinol for anti-aging, vitamin C for brightness, HAA for texture. Your skin looked great for a while. Then things changed. Slowly at first, products start bothering you. Products that never bothered you start stinging. Your skin feels tight after washing, and you notice redness that won't go away. Everything burns now. And you think, my skin has become sensitive. I need products for sensitive skin. So you buy gentler products, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, more of them to repair your barrier. But it keeps getting worse. Here's what actually happened. You didn't develop sensitive skin. You created it. Year after year, stripping away your natural barrier, disrupting your skin's pH, removing the protective lipids your skin needs. Your barrier didn't suddenly break. You eroded it slowly every single day. Now you're in a sensitive spiral. You can't use products because your barrier is destroyed, but you keep trying to fix it, which damages it even more. I see this constantly, and the fix is stop. Everything. Stop trying to fix it. Let your skin rebuild what you've demolished. Scenario 2, you develop an actual skin condition. Perioral dermatitis, rosacea, seborrheic dermatitis. But Dr. Bibi, those are actual skin conditions. How's my skincare routine causing them? Your skincare routine may not be the sole cause or the direct cause, but it certainly makes matters worse. These conditions occur when your skin barrier is compromised and the inflammatory response goes haywire. Your microbiome becomes imbalanced. Let me paint you a picture. You're 32. Your skin's been fine. You start an anti-aging routine. Retinol, glycolic acid, daily exfoliation. Maybe you add a cleansing device for deep cleansing. 6 months later, you have red, bumpy rash around your mouth that won't go away. Perioral dermatitis. Or maybe it's just your cheeks. Persistent redness, broken capillaries, burning sensation. Rosacea. Or scaling and flaking on the eyebrows, around the nasolabial folds. Seborrheic dermatitis. Now you need medical treatment, prescription medications, sometimes for months and sometimes for years. And here's the kicker. First thing I tell you is stop your skincare routine. Stop the actives, stop the cleansers, stop the exfoliation, stop everything. Because your skin can't heal while you're attacking it. You could have avoided this thing almost entirely by never starting the assault in the first place. Scenario 3, time catches up. You're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and your skin has done remarkably well, despite years of aggressive skincare. Maybe you've been lucky. But here's what happens with aging. Your skin naturally produces less oil. Your barrier becomes inherently more fragile. cell turnover slows, your skin's ability to repair itself diminishes. Add sun damage to the equation, and most of us have it, and your skin is already compromised. Now, the same routine you've been doing for 20 years, your skin can't handle it anymore. The hot water you tolerated, now it leaves your skin feeling like parchment. The daily actives that used to give you that glow, now they leave your skin feeling irritated. The exfoliation that used to make your skin feel smooth, now it makes you red and inflamed. Your skin changed, but your routine didn't. And suddenly, seemingly out of nowhere, you have chronically dry, irritated, sensitive skin. That looks worse than if you've done nothing at all. I see women in their 50s and 60s with skin so damaged from decades of anti-aging routines that they look older than they should, and the irony is devastating. So here's my question. Why wait? Why wait until your skin forces you to stop? Why wait for the sensitivity spiral, the disease state, the aging crisis? Why not stop now before the damage compounds? Your skin is a miracle of creation. It has innate wisdom. It knows how to regulate oil production, maintain pH balance, fight pathogens, and repair itself. But it can't do any of that properly while you're attacking it constantly, twice a day, with detergents, with physical abrasives, with other leave-on nonsense. It can't do it. The simple routine that actually works: cool water only to wash your face. No cleansers, no scrubs, no devices. Remove makeup with coconut oil or petroleum jelly on a cotton ball until you draw a clear cotton ball, then leave the product on the face as your occlusive protective moisturizer. Protect your skin at night as needed with an oil-based occlusive moisturizer such as petroleum jelly or Butter Oasis Moisturizing Balm. That's it. No actives, no exfoliation, no 10-step skincare routine, no $200 serums. Just protection, allowing the skin to do what it already knows to do. Dr. Bibi, what about anti-aging? What about acne? What about hyperpigmentation? Now here's the truth. A healthy, intact skin barrier looks far better than damaged skin with active ingredients every single time. Best anti-aging strategy, protect your barrier. Best acne strategy, stop disrupting your skin's natural regulation. Best brightening routine, stop inflaming your skin, which causes hyperpigmentation. You have two choices. Choice one, keep going. Keep the routine, cross your fingers, and hope you're the exception. Hope your skin holds out, wait for the day it doesn't. Choice two, simplify it now. Let your skin heal and thrive. Avoid the sensitivity, the disease states, the accelerated aging. It's not if your skin is going to rebel, it's when. Question is, are you going to sit around waiting for the moment, or are you going to be smart enough to act before it does? Your smile is your brand, your skin is your canvas. Don't wait until it's destroyed to start protecting it. Let me know in the comments section which category of sensitive skin you fall into. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS skincare advice. Dr. Yuval Bibi, the choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. See you next time. God bless.